You might be slowly ruining your clothes and you don't even realize it. Not because you're careless, but because you think you're taking care of them the right way. You wear something once, it's not dirty, but not exactly fresh either. So what do? Most guys either wash it or send it to the dry cleaner. And over time, that's exactly what breaks down your clothes. Because the real issue isn't washing, it's what you do between wears. This video is sponsored by LG. Because once you start looking at it that way, you realize most of the damage isn't happening all at once, it's happening gradually over time. Every time you wash something unnecessarily, every time it goes to the dry cleaner when it doesn't need to, you're putting stress on the fabric. Heat, agitation, chemicals, those all take a toll. And the problem is those things are often treated as the default. You wear something, doesn't feel fresh, so it goes straight into the wash or gets sent out. But most clothes were never meant to be handled that way after every single wear, especially if you're talking about things like tailored clothing, knitwear, or anything made from more delicate natural fibers. So what ends up happening is even well-made pieces start to lose their shape, their integrity, and ultimately they just don't last as long as they should. And the issue is most of the damage is completely avoidable. It's not that you shouldn't ever wash your clothes or use a dry cleaner, it's that those shouldn't be your default after every wear. Because the reality is most clothes aren't actually dirty after one use, they just aren't quite ready to wear again. And that's where people don't have a clear approach. They're stuck between two options: wear it again as is or clean it. But there's a middle ground there that almost no one really thinks about. And that middle ground is what actually determines how long your clothes last. Once you start thinking about it that way, taking care of your clothes becomes a lot simpler. It's just really about having a system. Not something complicated, but a few consistent habits that keep your clothes in good condition without overdoing it. At a very basic level, you can think about it in three parts. First, let your garments rest. After you wear something, giving it time to air out on a proper hanger with some space goes a long way in helping the fabric to recover. Second, you have light maintenance. Things like brushing or addressing small spots before they set in, just taking care of issues really early instead of letting them build up. And then there's the third part, which is where most people run into trouble. Because even if you're doing those first two things, you still end up with clothes that aren't dirty, but don't feel completely fresh either. And that's really the gap, because most of your clothes live in that space. They're not dirty, but they're not quite ready to wear again either. And if you don't have a way to deal with that, you end up defaulting back to washing or dry cleaning more often than you should. This is where having a way to actually refresh your clothes makes a big difference. Not washing them, not fully cleaning them, just bringing them back to a point where they feel fresh, presentable, and ready to wear again. And that's where steam-based garment care becomes incredibly useful, because it allows you to do exactly that. Refresh the fabric, remove light odors, relax wrinkles, without putting the garment through the kind of stress that comes with washing or dry cleaning. It's something I've come to rely on quite a bit over time, and there is one product that gets the job done. I've been using the LG styler for years. I actually got the original version back in 2016, and it's just become part of my regular routine when it comes to taking care of my clothes. So instead of regularly going to the dry cleaner or throwing something in the wash, you can take something that's been worn and bring it back to a point where it feels clean, looks presentable, and is ready to wear again. Take something like a wool suit or sport coat. You wear it once, maybe twice. It doesn't need to be dry cleaned, but you do want to remove odors, relax the fabric, and restore its shape. With the styler, you can hang multiple pieces at once, and the dynamic moving hanger circulates steam through the garments with hundreds of small movements per minute, so everything gets refreshed evenly without harsh chemicals or stress on the fabric that you have with a dry cleaner. Same thing with knitwear, cashmere, merino wool, anything delicate that you don't want to wash too often. You can use lighter cycles depending on the fabric, so it's strong enough to refresh, but still gentle enough to protect those fibers. The rounded hanger has non-slip pads and a wide shoulder area to help maintain the shape, or you can simply fold them and place them on the shelf if you're worried about the shoulders. It's also useful when you're short on time. There is a quick refresh cycle, about 20 minutes, that reduces wrinkles and freshens things up if you need something later in the day or the next morning. And with shirts or trousers, it helps maintain structure and keep them looking freshly pressed. There's a built-in pants press to keep a clean crease, and a handheld steamer for quick touch-ups when you need them. And that feature, the high-pressure handy steamer, is one that I absolutely love. It's integrated right into the styler, has 3 different steam modes, high, low, and medium, and just works so well. The styler is also very easy to live with. No special installation, just plug it into a standard outlet, and it's quiet enough to run in a closet or living space or production studio if you happen to have one of those. So overall, the LG styler gives you a consistent way to handle that in-between stage, refreshing your clothes, maintaining their shape, and extending their lifespan without relying on constant washing or dry cleaning. The main thing is, it just becomes a part of your routine. Instead of thinking about when something needs to be washed or sent out, you have a way to take care of it as you go. So at the end of the day, pieces that aren't aren't quite ready to wear again, but don't necessarily need to be cleaned, can go straight in there. And that alone cuts down a lot on how often you're washing, ironing, or making trips to the dry cleaner. And that's really the bigger point. If you're going to invest in better clothing, you need to think about how you're maintaining it. Because most clothes don't wear out all at once. They wear out gradually from small decisions repeated over time. So the goal isn't to clean your clothes more, it's to take better care of them between wears. And if you do that consistently, you'll get a lot more life out of what you already own. If you're curious about how I use the LG Styler or want to take a closer look, I'll leave more information down below. But more than anything, just start thinking about clothing this way: what you're doing between wears, because that's where most of the difference is made. And it's what allows your clothes to last longer, look better, and actually live up to the investment you made in them. Thank you to LG for sponsoring this video. Thank you for watching. And as always, stay tailored.